What to ask for in divorce mediation. Preparing for divorce mediation can significantly influence the outcome, especially when it comes to achieving the desired financial and personal results. Mediation provides an alternative to court litigation, offering a less adversarial and more cooperative approach. Understanding what to ask for in mediation can help you navigate through crucial matters like finances, property, and child custody. The legal framework of divorce mediation in New York. Divorce mediation is strongly encouraged in New York as an alternative to litigation. Under New York law, the mediation process remains confidential, meaning the discussions that take place cannot be used in court if the mediation fails. All agreements reached must be documented and submitted for judicial approval. This ensures that the agreements meet the necessary legal criteria and are fair for both parties. Additionally, both spouses must participate voluntarily and transparently disclose all financial information. This requirement is key to ensuring that the negotiations are fair. While legal representation is not mandatory during mediation, having an attorney can be crucial in understanding your rights and the implications of any agreement you reach. Consulting with a lawyer can help prevent potential future disputes. What should you ask for in divorce mediation? When entering into mediation, it's important to have a clear understanding of your priorities and goals. Here are a few key areas to focus on. Division of marital property. In New York, marital property includes all assets acquired during the marriage. During mediation, you should ask for a clear assessment of all assets, including bank accounts, retirement funds, real estate, and personal property. Understanding the value of these assets is essential to ensuring a fair distribution. If one party wants to retain certain assets, the other should be compensated equitably. Handling debt. Debts incurred during the marriage are considered marital liabilities. It's essential to determine who will be responsible for repaying these debts, such as mortgages, credit card balances, and personal loans. Ensuring this issue is handled fairly will help both parties move forward with financial stability. Spousal maintenance. Spousal maintenance, commonly referred to as alimony, is another important consideration. In New York, the duration and amount of spousal maintenance are often determined by factors like the length of the marriage and each spouse's earning potential. During mediation, you should ask for a fair and reasonable maintenance arrangement based on both parties' financial situations. Child custody and support. If children are involved, it's crucial to ask for comprehensive parenting arrangements. These should cover both physical and legal custody, ensuring a stable environment for the children. Discussions should also focus on child support, healthcare, education, and other expenses that may arise. Mediation provides the opportunity to tailor these arrangements to the needs of both the parents and the children. The divorce mediation process. Understanding how the mediation process works is key to preparing for successful sessions. Divorce mediation typically begins with an introductory conversation with the mediator. This allows both parties to express their concerns and expectations for the mediation. If both agree to proceed, they will sign an agreement to mediate, which confirms the voluntary and confidential nature of the process. The mediator serves as a neutral facilitator, guiding the discussions on topics such as property division, spousal support, and parenting plans. The process ends when the parties reach an agreement on all issues. The mediator then drafts a Memorandum of Understanding (MO) that outlines all decisions made. This MO is later used to create the final settlement agreement, which is submitted to the court. How to prepare for mediation. Gather financial documents. To ensure a smooth mediation process, it's important to gather all necessary financial documents beforehand. These include recent tax returns, bank statements, retirement account information, and real estate deeds. Having all the required paperwork ready ensures that the discussions are based on accurate information, helping both parties make informed decisions. Identify your priorities. Knowing what you want to achieve during mediation is crucial. Before the sessions begin, make a list of your must-haves versus your negotiables. Whether it's retaining specific property or achieving a particular custody arrangement, clearly identifying your goals will help focus the discussions. Set realistic expectations. Mediation is about compromise. Both parties should be prepared to make concessions in order to reach a fair resolution. Understanding that the process is meant to find a middle ground can help avoid frustration and improve the chances of reaching an agreement that satisfies both parties. Establish communication guidelines. Clear communication is vital to successful mediation. Both parties should agree on respectful communication guidelines that encourage openness and cooperation. This can help prevent misunderstandings and promote a smoother process. Financial considerations. Financial matters are often the most contested issues in divorce mediation. In New York, the law requires an equitable distribution of marital property and liabilities. Both parties must work together to address these financial issues. Property division. Ensure that all marital assets are accounted for and divided fairly. Debt allocation. Clarify which party is responsible for paying off any shared debts. Spousal maintenance. Negotiate a fair alimony agreement based on the financial realities of both parties. Long-term planning. In addition to resolving immediate issues, mediation provides an opportunity to plan for future changes. Life circumstances can shift, and it's important to address how future modifications to child support or custody arrangements will be handled. Establishing a process for revisiting these agreements in the future can prevent conflict and ensure a smoother post-divorce life. If you're preparing for divorce mediation and need guidance, contacting a lawyer can help ensure that your rights are protected throughout the process. Engaging with an attorney can provide the legal guidance necessary to navigate complex financial and custody matters effectively. For personalized assistance with divorce mediation, contact Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer. Our experienced Manhattan divorce attorneys are ready to help you achieve a fair and lasting resolution. Call us at 212-537-5859 or visit our office at 347 5th Avenue, STE 1003, New York, 10016, United States.